Two people buy Bitcoin and sell at exactly the same price, but one makes 4 times the return. Here's why. Hey everybody, Joel with the Crypto Code here. We help everyday people understand crypto through practical education, research, and proper risk management. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never risk money you can't afford to lose. All right, let's talk about it. Imagine two people who both believe Bitcoin could eventually reach $100,000. The first person buys at $50,000, while the second person buys at $80,000. They own the same asset, and they both eventually sell at the same $100,000 price. But their results are completely different. The person who entered at $50,000 earned a 100% return before fees. The person who entered at $80,000 earned only 25%. The final price was identical, but the opportunity was not. This is why the price we pay matters so much. People often focus entirely on where an asset might go. They ask how high Bitcoin could rise, or what target an altcoin could eventually reach. But a target means very little without comparing it with the current price. A possible move from $50,000 to $100,000 is not the same opportunity as a possible move from $90,000 to $100,000. The first offers 100% potential upside, while the second offers a little more than 11%. That doesn't mean the lower entry is guaranteed to succeed, and it doesn't mean a higher priced asset must immediately decline. It simply means our potential return changes depending on where we enter. The same principle applies to risk. If two people believe an asset could fall to $40,000, the person buying at $50,000 faces a much smaller percentage decline than the person buying at $80,000. Again, the asset is the same and the possible destination is the same, but the relationship between the entry price and the potential outcome is completely different. This is why the market environment matters more than excitement. A strong narrative does not erase the price being paid. Before buying any cryptocurrency, calculate the percentage between the current price and the outcome you're hoping for. Don't just look at the target, look at the distance between where the asset is now and where you believe it could reasonably go. Remember, the return begins at the entry price, not at the future target. Do you calculate the potential percentage return before entering a position? Let us know in the comments. For more practical crypto education, like the video, subscribe to the Crypto Code, and turn on notifications. You can also find our free workshop and additional resources below. Stay disciplined, stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.